Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pureAir product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and disconnect it from the outlet or power source. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, gently remove the screw that holds in the filter cover on the bottom of the product and carefully remove the filter from the unit. Blow the filter out with compressed air or use a vacuum cleaner hose to remove loose dust and debris from the filter. Before reinserting the filter into the base of the unit, blow the interior of the unit out with compressed air. This will help you get the most life out of your pureAir. Once done, place the filter back into the bottom of the unit, place the filter cover back on, and tighten the Phillips head screw that secures the filter cover in place just until it's snug by hand. Plug your pureAir back into the wall outlet and reset the unit back to its previously set mode. Check for a green light and verify there's that familiar, clean, pure smell emitting from the unit before setting to your desired setting. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once per month to ensure that your pureAir is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.